Hi, this is David Lee from howtostartownbusiness.co.uk. Thanks for joining me. Today I'd like to talk to you about your web presence. And exactly what I mean? Well, no more than just a website. Let's look at it in three parts. Why you must be online, why a presence and not just a website, and finally, where most get it wrong. Let's get started. Why you must be online. Did you realize that there are now over 1 billion people using Facebook? Just Facebook alone, the most popular website. So how many people are actually using the internet every day? And it is growing. If people cannot find you, if you are not using the internet, how much business are you losing? Because you must be online. If you're not online, you're virtually nowhere. Your business in this economy is under threat. So it is imperative that you take an online presence and let people know who you are, what you offer, how you benefit them, and make it easy for them to find you. That is just the connection. That is just the first stage. You need the product, you need the service, you need the backup support. But if they can't find you, they don't know you. It's like having a beautiful resort on a remote tropical island, but nobody can find it. And if they can't find it, well, that resort may as well not exist at all. Your product, your service, your shopfront may as well not even exist if people can't find you. You can't rely on people down the road and just word of mouth. You need it online as well. Why a presence and not just a website? Don't get me wrong, a website is better than no website at all. But a presence is when you're integrating all the multimedia facets that are now available. We're bringing in social media as well as websites. We're bringing in audio, video, like podcasting, for example, like articles about who you are, because the more content in no matter what format it is access for people to find out about you, get informed, and eventually come to your door, your website, and sign in and opt in and to get into your funnel. So a presence is integrating all of these aspects. Now, for example, you may be a fashion house and you're targeting people for clothing, but then there are accessories. People may be looking at hats, jewellery, shoes. But if they're wanting those complementary items, those fashion items, well, maybe they're wanting the dresses or the garments that you're offering. Therefore, if people have got a problem, they go to Google to solve their problem. Now, you as selling garments, clothing, may not be the initial inquiry, but if you had a site that was, say, the key phrase was based on new shoes, quality shoes, or jewellery, or hats, or garments, and it's in your area, then you can target those people and bring them into your funnel and eventually offer them the goods and services which are your primary resource. So it's not always the first port of call. You need to be thinking about integrating video, because this day and age people are using video more than ever. Audio, they can hear you, they can play you the recordings from your video on their headsets on the way to work. Are you using audio, video, with the video channels like YouTube, like Vimeo, like MetaCafe? There's various channels that are out there, and quite often they're free. Create a podcast. Have your own iStore where people can listen to what you've got. And again, this network builds up. Social media is another one. If a lot of the big organizations now are using social media, they're using Facebook, they're using Twitter, they're using LinkedIn. Is this not a clue? You don't have to do it all at once, but think about the step-by-step process to be able to build this up. Finally, where most get it wrong. Well, people get it wrong because, one, they don't have a website, but another common problem is They take forever to build a website, and they want to get the perfect website. Now, I'll ask you this question. How much money will your business make creating, building, developing a website? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. And yet people take months and months and months. The website that is not perfect, that maybe just 50% what you're looking for, is better than none at all. And it's the fact that you're getting it up there and getting people to see you, find you, is a reason just to get started. Get online as quickly as possible. There are a lot of web themes called like WordPress. You can get a theme, get a website up within 10 minutes. Go and pay somebody to go and do some work to customize that website. Don't try to get the perfect website. The other mistake is there's no data capture. No data capture, then you haven't got access to repeat contact with these people. You need a funnel, say an email marketing system where when you get their name and email address, you can correspond with them. They can find out more about you. Send them videos. And lastly, key phrase optimization. I look in websites and I cannot even find the specific terms that people are most likely to be looking for to solve their problem. It's not in what's called the meta tags, the code itself, what the key phrases are, and it's not really written in the copy that's on the page. So Google can't find it. It's very non-specific, and when you demonstrate to a customer or potential customer, look, you, for example, have a hotel that's in southwest London, or it's in Surbiton, for example. I'm going to type in what most people would be doing: hotel, Surbiton, London, and yet something like that cannot be found because the website's not optimized. Again, if they can't find you, you're just an island out there floating in the middle of the ocean and nobody knows who you are. So there we go. That's a summary of your web presence, what you need to think about. My name is David Lee. Any questions, more information, just get in contact with me from the website howtostartownbusiness.co.uk. Thank you very much.